Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove emojis from photo in seconds. So this is a mobile version. So all you need to do is just open your browser, Google Chrome that I use now. So type or search this any eraser. So after that you can click or you can tap on remove emoji from picture. Tap, and this is the any eraser by media.io, and upload video or photo and choose the sorry, you have to log in if you need, and upload video or photo here. So this is a photo with a arrow emoji. So you can use this brush, you can adjust brush size here. You can try to brush this thing or these emojis. Let's try to brush with the red box here. You can adjust the brush size here. After you brush it, you can tap this remove objects now, and you have to wait. Still processing. Now as you can see, the emoji is gone here. So you can upload or download without watermark now. So all you have to do is log in, of course, in any eraser account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.